recipe video that showed you how to make cheesecake with blueberry filling. This time I'm making the same exact cheesecake, but I'm adding a can of pumpkin. So I have this here Libby's can of pumpkin, and I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and the exact same recipe. I'm going to follow it, and we're going to have pumpkin cheesecake for snack. Yummy. Here's what it looks like. Look at that. Now I just added, so I added 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, the 1 can of pumpkin, and instead of milk I used water because I didn't have any almond milk made. Shame on me, but that doesn't matter. It's delicious. So it's the exact same recipe as the blueberry, except for those few additions and subtractions. And then I'm just going to put it right into the shell and bake it. Okay guys, don't worry about the recipe. I will add it again in the description in case you missed the original recipe. But here's what crust I used. The Keebler Ready Crust graham cracker. And I just filled her up. And I'm going to go ahead and stick it in the oven, 350 degrees. And I'm going to do 30 minutes, but this is kind of bigger than the last cheesecake. I may leave it in 5 more minutes, so I'll make sure I put every amounts and the times and everything all down. Look at that. Looks delicious. Okay, here's what it looks like. I baked it 35 minutes. So just come out of the oven. Now it has to go in the refrigerator for 6 hours, probably overnight. I'll leave it. And then tomorrow I'll be trying this. Okay guys, it's just been over a little tiny bit over 2 hours, and we just can't wait to cut this. I'm just going to cut a little sliver of it, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, here's what it looks like. Now, it's just a little soft, because like I said, it's only been sitting for 2 hours. But, I'm going to let the rest, but we couldn't wait to try it. It's so delicious. You guys got to try this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love yourself and love others. Hope you enjoy this recipe. It's yummy. Oh my God, it's so good. Thumbs up. See you on the next one. Don't forget to hit the bell. See ya.